Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for September 23rd through the 30th. We have lots of stuff coming up, and so I just wanted to let you guys know what we have going on. So, Monday, we actually have a PTC meeting after school if you can make it. If not, we'll make sure and get the information out there. These are great meetings. We've had a great showing of parents at these meetings, and our ladies just do such an amazing job of supporting our teachers, supporting our kids in our schools. It's been really great because it's been collaborative with the elementary and intermediate, and we're really able to talk through some things to make sure that we are all on the same page and just doing what's best for our community and our kids together. And so that's been great. If you can make it out 4 o'clock in the cafeteria. I know that Dr. Smith is going to be presenting on our upcoming bond and information about that. So that's another opportunity to come out and see about that. On Tuesday morning, we're going to be doing our house reveal with our kids in assembly in the morning. There will be a lot more information out about this new initiative that we have going on campus that will be coming out after the reveal, and so we're really excited about that. It's going to be a great program that we're running all year that's really going to build community and servant hearts in our kids, and we're just really excited about that. So again, more information to come. Wednesday, we're Gold for Respect, and there is another community bond presentation at 6 o'clock at the high school. I would encourage you to go, get informed, find out information. Dr. Smith does an amazing job of just answering questions and letting you know what's going on. Also, I wanted to take a second to show you that if you want to find out more information, that you can always go to the Brock ISD website, and let me see here. If you go to the actual homepage, there is an area that says bond projects. Let me see if I can get that in there. And basically it just gives you all the information that we have to this point about the bond. So it's a great resource. I encourage you to check it out. Thursday, flu shots at the elementary, 7:30 to 10 o'clock. And then Friday, we will have hat day and Brock out day, which this is also a half day this day. But one of the important things to the kids I know is that they will be sliming me on Friday for the PTC Write a Check fundraiser reward. So I know all the kids have been really excited about getting to put slime all over my head. So again, Friday's a half day. We'll be releasing at noon, and we'll get more information to you out about that. And Monday is no school for our kids, but it is actually a staff PD day for all of Brock ISD. So that's good. Let's see what else. PTC put together a calendar of events that's coming up for both the elementary and the intermediate campus. So this is a really good resource right here. Check that out. You can see all the things that are coming up that PTC is helping out with and just things that we have going on. So you can always look at that. More information here on the flu clinic. And again, our upcoming dates, we're going to be setting up parent conferences in the month of October. We're really excited about that. And we have homecoming coming up, as well as Fall Festival. I know all of our community is working hard on all their different fundraisers and games and all the things that go on. If you haven't been to a Fall Festival before, it's definitely something that cannot be missed. It's an incredible community event that everyone's invited to, and it's just always a good time. And so again, here's what we have coming up. We're still finalizing our Red Ribbon Week stuff, but we have been working with the other schools to try to keep it as aligned as possible, and definitely trying to make it, not so difficult for parents dressing kids up all week, because I know that can be, a little difficult at times. So anyways, that's what we have going on coming up this week. I hope you all had a great weekend. I look forward to a fantastic week, and go Eagles.